Mill Drones here, 006. Sorry for the bumpiness. I'm walking down to the spot right now. So with the transporter goggles, I can't do DVR. There's no recording. So that means I just need to upgrade on some goggles. Obviously, these ain't gonna be the ones I'm gonna be rocking out with forever. I definitely plan on. I was thinking about getting some fat. I was looking at the Fat Sharks, HDO2s, or maybe what is it, the 3s, I think, or maybe the 2s. Forgot. And I was gonna go with analog for a long time. It was what the plan was. But now, I kind of feel like I just want to get the. It's a lot of B's around here. I feel like I want to just get the DJI, the HD digital. Not for nothing, because I'm hearing as far as like beginner, because I'm a beginner, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm hearing as far as beginners and stuff, it don't really make that much of a difference when it comes down to the latency. I could be wrong, but that's what I heard so far. But I think I just want to go with the DJIs. Like, I feel like I would use them more in a long-term situation, because everything is moving. I feel like everything is moving so fast. Every time you look up, it's a new system. It's a new transmitter, a new way to receive, or whatever. You feel me? You got the Crossfire. Now you got Tracer. Like, I don't even know. I gotta look up what Tracer is. I don't even know what it is. I'm new at this still. I'm still figuring out how to wire up the Crossfire and shit like that. Now they got a whole nother system out. Like, that's crazy. Well, you know, that's how it goes. But I definitely think I want to go with the DJI though. Right now I'm just doing a setup. Get it booted up here in a second. That's just about it. I wish I can get it through the goggles for y'all so y'all can see how I'm seeing it. I already know what it looks like, at least what I'm doing. It's so hot out here though. I didn't want to run it for too long because I don't know. I really don't know what the shit really meant, but the batteries had like a thing. I'm pretty sure it's probably like an overheating sign. It's hot as hell. It's 95 degrees out this bitch. I ain't want to push it too much, but got a little bit in today. Went into the 3 different modes that they had. They got acro mode, and they got the stabilized mode or whatever. Beginner's mode, whatever you want to call it. It was cool. It's too hot to be out here though. Try to make a little video for y'all. Got a little bit of footage. But till next time. Oh my god, I fell in my car. Till next time. It's hot as shit. I'm sorry. Excuse my French. I have to edit that out. Peace.